Good morning. I will show to you how to create a MS Word document. First, need to set up Microsoft Office. Then go to Start button. Then All Program. Then Microsoft Office and Word. Microsoft Word. Here Start default face coming. Now here first need to set up what paper you use. A4 or like a letter or a legal. This one need to first set up before work starting. This one here have face layout, then size. Here have default letter face. You can I need suppose A4. You can set up this one now A4 size. Then here have margin. What is the margin you use? This one need to set up here. Norm here you can use narrow, or you can change margin size custom. What you need you can type here one by one, and then okay. Then you can face layouts orientation like a footable or landscape. What purpose you can use? This one suppose I control here zoom out. You can see this one footable, this one landscape. This one need to first set up. Suppose I will use this one. Then here have home. You can write here anything. Suppose I write my dear. Here this one now coming. This one font name. This one need to set up what time, what types you can. Suppose I use times New Roman. Then this one size we actually use 10 to 12 like is a default a smaller letter. You can use this one in for big or a small. This one like as a bold, you need to bold here, type underline here a styling have, and this one start. Then you can use paragraph. This one middle coming or this one right coming. uh, this one generally use normal. After that you can insert anything here, any shape you can use here to here, or what rectangular or any shape you can use. Then here need to click. Then here you can shape color need to any, you can change here shape color or non fill. Okay, then h2 color you can change here. Then h2 color change width you can use 1 or half 1/4. Then any insert point you can find here one by one, any shape, any footer, head office number. You can use face. First need to set a face layout. After that you can use start home button, and this one need to work one by one. Then you can work like this face. After face setup, suppose I open one general document as number. This one of face writing is complete. After that face setup complete. Then you can see if print preview. Okay, like this print coming. So you can use your printer name, or you need to do PDF. You can use do PDF software. You can use this software. Then print this one, print out coming. Location where you save this one PDF file. Then high quality. Then open. Okay. Now this document is set up complete, and PDF also opening. Okay. then you can any newly need anything item, or you can option sense, you can option here. You can use general theme color, this one silver, like others thing, display coming, anything you need to hide or show, this one showing. Okay. Then this one advanced have, suppose customer ribbon, this one you need to new ribbon or new thing need, you can click here one by one. Suppose here have shape and red undo, then you can copy add this one, and then okay, this one coming here. You can one by one you can add here this one, then you see this one coming silver color, we can change. And then you can use developer point also, this one coming from here option, advanced developer here. If you don't have developer point, you can find here developer, try click, then okay, then this one coming here like this PDF file, PDF, and this one print out as a PDF. Okay. Then you can anything edit here one by one. If you change your font, click select first, then click font, then you can change your styling. You can change anytime style wise, you can change. Okay, one by one. You can bold, just click bold. You can need to underline, select, then underline, then or you need to right click, then this one coming here, and then this one need to like this, so arrange one all item, and then you can need underline or italic, you can do it here. Okay, and then you can change anytime here one by one. Actually this one home bottom have styling change. Suppose I use here one point, here click, then here click, point is coming, or you can know it, then as backspace, this one coming, delete, again arrange. Then if you need a numbering, this one can just one click by coming this point, or you need to see what is here use, then you can click here, then this one coming. Suppose this one enter use, this one tab use, this one enter use, like this. You can delete in this one, and delete this one coming, delete this one, not print out, just see what is what key use here, again click this one, gone. This one already normal showing. Then this one, you if you need to here a space bigger, you can just click here 1.1 1.5 to line is one by one line spacing, just you can 1.15 use. Okay, this one coloring, this one if you need to any highlight, you can just select, then click coloring, background color will change. Then you see this one underline is coming red, this one need to space or spelling check, that time if you have wrong spelling, this one coming red color, then you can right click, then you can check what writes what and then click. Okay, after that you can view have view also. You need to see ruler. You can click here ruler. Then you see what is the ruler. You can manually here can you can change anytime easily. Easily. Okay, if you use here one tab, you can tap given, then here you can one by one what tab you can use. You can change, just click, just select, then click change anytime. You can just tap, use using tab. Okay, then you can, if you coming full screen like this one, that time always print out view, that time coming show here. And here have zoom option. You can reduce here zoom or plus if you need. Here can one by one check. Also showing face number and what how many watt here, this face, this one showing here. Okay, today is okay. If you anything new point take, you can like or share. Goodbye.